Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Training Command, Commandant, Air Force Academy, proud parents and relatives who are witnessing the parade live on their screens, instructors and staff, flight cadets on parade, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning and my congratulations to the 161 graduating officers for being awarded the President's Commission. My congratulations also to the award winners for their outstanding performance during their training, and to the 6 officers from the Indian Navy as well as 5 officers of the Indian Coast Guard for earning their coveted wings. Good show and keep it up. Today's combined graduation parade is historic because despite severe COVID constraint placed upon the training infrastructure, you all have succeeded in completing your training, and that too within the stipulated period. In fact, the Air Force Academy has flown over 20,500 hours over the last 1 year, highest ever in our history during this period. My special compliments on achieving this milestone and implementing significant enhancements in our training curriculum. Indeed, this day is a great testament to the grit and determination shown by each one of you, as well as to the human contribution by the instructors. I take this opportunity to commend the efforts put in by all our training establishments and the faculty for guiding, mentoring, and teaching not only the fundamentals of a military leader, but also instilling in you the IAF's core value of mission, integrity, and excellence.